Are you stuck with the wrong industry in Klaviyo and can't find where to change it? Learn the exact clicks to fix it in under 30 seconds. I'll walk you through the 7 clicks: Profile, Settings, Account, Industry dropdown, select Events and Entertainment, and Save.
First, click on your profile in the lower left of the screen.
That opens a menu. Go ahead and click on Settings. From the Settings menu, choose Account to get to your account details. Now, find the industry information on this page. Once you spot it, click on the drop-down to see your options. Then select Events and Entertainment from the list. Finally, hit Save to apply your change, and you're all done. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.